Hello guys, how are you? I hope all fine and good. Today we will know how to change the color from the letters, characters, colors, background colors, how you change it, all this like we later. As I told you, you can change size, style before or after. Okay, so I will make it in the middle, 16. I will choose this one. Okay. Okay, let's make it from here, left side, inch. Okay, John, please, I need to move my machine. Okay, and I need to mention my machine. I need to make it with color, a change color. You can make it here, you see, as a red. Change color from the any word you wanted. Okay, and I need to change my to yellow. Move to green. You got it? You can from here change any color for any word you wanted or all line. If I start after this or after yellow, if you go to yellow space, all will be yellow, or green space, all will be green, as you like yani. Okay, type this is, I can't see it, I need to change it to another color. Let's make it like this. Type, I need to highlight my machine. From here, this one, I make it, I highlight it. I need to make Jan like line under it. Okay, from here, line under it. Okay, let's make it one word only, like engineer Jan. Now you can see it. Okay, because the red it's not work before. So you see it now. Okay, I can make it bold. I can make it like this. I change it. I not make it bold and I remove it. You can make it as you want. I give you the key how to change it. Okay, this one I need to change the color to another color type. Okay, now I need to remove this highlight. I don't like it. Okay, from here, no color. Okay, type, I need to make it all with black. No, I don't like this to be green. Okay, any color. Okay, select it all you want and make it automatic, all it's back as a default. Okay, now you know how to make it highlight, how to change the word color, how to make it bold, the line under it. And you see engineer, you can make it line under it, whatever, yani you can customize these things. I hope you get benefits from my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.